Decided to have lunch at Geyser Point, which is one of the restaurant lounges at Wilderness Lodge, and it's right on the water like this.
Good morning on day 3. We are outside at Old Faithful, yet she's not blowing. It's a little before 9 a.m. so she's not quite active yet. We'll go ahead and put my mask on as I see people go. Should have kept it on anyway, even though I was by myself. I'm on a walking path, so still should have kept it on. Alright, plan today, we are checking out of Boulder Ridge. We are moving over to the Riviera. Really excited to see that resort. Taken the Skyliner there before, but I've never actually walked around, so really excited to walk around there. We're there for a couple more days than here, so we're gonna have a little more time to explore and enjoy. Having a really good time. You know, it's a different trip. You know, different times in the world, but just different for us as a family right now too. You know, we're on an extended trip, but as I've said a couple times, I'm still working for my job and doing some stuff remote. It's really interesting that have that opportunity. I'm not working out of the office right now. I am working from home, so I decided to let the family enjoy the trip as much as they could while I'm still working out of the hotel room. So I've got my computer, and I was up pretty late last night. The in-room Wi-Fi wasn't working that well for me, so I did go down in Boulder Ridge. I was down in the railroad room, so maybe I'll swing by and do a video there real quick. But I was down in the railroad room, and the Wi-Fi connection was really fast. I was able to use my company's VPN, and I got a lot of work done in a short time, but it was late at night. It was a lot later, so still, you know, having a good time, and everything will be done here soon. So I'll go ahead and turn around here. I am right outside of the feature pool, so this is Copper Creek Springs, the kids play area. There goes Old Faithful. Wow, I waited long enough. Didn't know when they were going to start back up, so got a burst. It wasn't, yep, cool, them again. Yay! Well, that was pretty cool. We'll see how often it picks back up, but that was interesting. I was not expecting that to happen over my shoulder. I didn't know when it was going to start, but that was interesting. All right, just above the feature pool, closest to the resort, there's this cool little waterfall coming down. Sorry, coming down from the river that's in the lobby. It's a really cool water feature. Love waterfalls. Behind me, 48 inches to be in on that pool with the feature pool right behind it. Kids did get to play in that yesterday, but Wilderness Lodge up behind us. All right, so I just closed up my computer, but I ran back into the train room. So here are all the trains. Pictures of the wall. It's kind of dark in here. A cool little room. There was 3 of us in here this morning working on our computers. One lady doing work. A younger guy looking like he was doing his college homework, and then me working on my work. A cool little train room in here. They all have these little placards. This one, Carrollwood Pacific Train Cars, 1950. Cool little room. Here's the, you know, there's a fireplace in here and some chairs. And then there's 3 tables over here. So this is where we were all working. A nice little room, some background noise, and was able to get a lot of work done in here. Good network connection. Walt Disney's Magical Barn. Very cool. All right, what are we up to, Jack?
We are getting some drinks. We may not go to the parks. And my dad is behind the camera.
All right, we are down in Roaring Fork again, getting some drinks.
I have a store there for you as well.
Thank you.
So let me do the water.
Thank you so much.
Want ice in the water?
Yes, please. All right, so the beverage station, they are grabbing our stuff for us. And there's Coke, Diet Coke, Sprite, Powerade, water, Coke Zero, lemonade, root beer, and orange Fanta. You just come down with your mug, and I've actually got my mug carabiner to my belt loop now. Makes it a little easier. And then they will get you everything. This poor gentleman over here has got me a lot of soda in the last couple days, so he knows I have a soda drinking problem. But it's been a real fun process, real easy. It's been a fun little trip. We have loaded all the things into the car. Our luggage is all loaded up. And now we are sitting down for lunch at Geyser Point, a restaurant we've never eaten at before, right on the water. So really awesome atmosphere. The wind is blowing, very nice. We've got these little tablers, the girls over there. Hi guys. We're at a little table that brought us waters, and we just put in our mobile order. So you scan it like everywhere else. I've got it up on the phone. We are going with the brisket dip to start as the appetizer. There's that.
And there is ping pong.
Oh, there's ping pong over there. And just a beautiful view and a great place to have a meal.
Go!
Decided to have lunch at Geyser Point, which is one of the restaurant lounges at Wilderness Lodge, and it's right on the water like this, and it's in the 70s here, and it's beautiful, nice breeze, and I'll snap the food soon.
So we just tried the brisket dip, and it was amazing. It kind of tastes like meatloaf, and since I'm a huge fan of that, I really enjoyed it. And my sister, who is not so much of a fan of meatloaf, loved this dish. So I would say that it is a really good thing to get if you ever come to Geyser Point.
Sorry,
These cabins have their own hot tub and a picnic table. This is gorgeous.
Did you get one of the lithographs yet?
I have not.
Help yourself.
I will. Thank you. I'll trade you spots. Here's the master bedroom. And it goes to the balcony that we just saw outside. Look at this shower. That's nice. Big old soaking tub.
you can.
Hello. TV in the mirror. There's another. This bedroom. Out here. You can see the Christmas tree behind the train station and the castle. Here is our standard view studio. Got a nice big shower here with a bench. and a toilet. And then there's a second bathroom with a full bathtub and a sink. And a little kitchenette area. That fridge. There's all the stuff we need for coffee and that kind of thing. Nice coffee maker. This is a queen size bed. And then this is a Murphy bed here. It does pull down into a queen. They gave us a Skyliner view. I don't know if you can see with the glare. I can see all 4 parks from our balcony. So that's Test Track right there. And that's the new Guardians of the Galaxy roller coaster. And there is Spaceship Earth. Just barely to the left of Spaceship Earth is the castle, and there's Bay Lake Tower behind it. And then we come around this way. This is the back of World Showcase. So this is the America Adventures Pavilion right there. You can see those buildings, Swan and Dolphin. And then there's Expedition Everest. And there's the Tower of Terror. So we can literally see all 4 parks. This is the Skyliner station at Riviera. And this is Caribbean Beach. So if there were fireworks going on, it would have been cool because we could have seen pretty much every show. So that's the lobby up there. And I'm kind of in like the center courtyard area. Sorry, I'm trying to be quiet because there's other people around here. We got these 2 tables here. We're gonna have dinner with some friends. There's a bocce ball court there. And that's where one of the restaurants is, the quick service one. And straight out there is the water. It's beautiful out here. You can see the Skyliner moving in the background.
This was our first time trying a famous pub sub and absolutely loved it. Day 3 of our adventures is coming to an end. A beautiful day, great evening with our wonderful friends. That's it for us for day 3. Thank you for joining us. And now for us, it's back to the rat race.